This session is called Setting Up Goals and Revenue Tracking. And in this session, you're going to be learning about how you can use Google Analytics and, in this case, WordPress to set up tracking for both goal pages and also tracking revenue. If you're using another content management system, don't worry, the process is essentially the same, and the Google Analytics part of the process is the most important, but we will be using WordPress for the purposes of this demo. So as you've learned in our other videos, tracking is essential to running any effective SEO campaign that's going to drive business and not just traffic. We want to focus on doing things that are driving business and revenue and not just a lot of worthless visits. So unless you're not interested in making money from your blog or your online business, having the proper tracking set up is absolutely so someone purchases something from your site and then they land on a thank you page. Well, we don't have a thank you page yet, so let's go over here and build one. So I created this page, the dog training guide, only $37, and a click here to buy button. But there's no thank you page yet. So let's pop over here and click Pages, Add New. And let's simply name it Thank You. Thanks for purchasing our ebook. Very simple. Click Publish, and we'll click View Page. Here for yoursite.com/thankyou, you just enter thankyou.html. In our case, this is the part of the URL we're going to want to do. So the next thing we'll want to do is set the goal value. Since we know that this book costs $37, we're going to want to tag that here. So we'll type in 37. Then we'll click Save. So now we have a purchase goal right here running. So we'll pop back over to standard reporting. In terms of reporting. So now I'm going to pop over to our demo site, tfrog.com, which has had goal tracking set up for a little while, so you can see what this looks like with some data. Okay, you see here's some goals that have been set up: completed transaction, newsletter sign up, or wholesale requests. These are all very important metrics that we're going to want to be tracking here. So let's take a look at standard reporting. know what's working, not just to drive traffic, but to drive the most amount of goal completions. If you have a number of different goals with different goal values, you might say, okay, well, this one's only driving 100 visits, but they're buying our most expensive product. So we're actually getting more money for that particular keyword. So you know to focus on doing your optimization to that keyword. Again, really, really great, insightful data. And all you had to do to set it up, and I'll show you just one more time, is admin, goals, and then come over here and set up a URL destination goal and set the amount of money that that's worth. Business, but this one over here is just killing it. So really, really insightful stuff. But again, I wanted to reinforce that point. Make sure you set it up early in the process so that you don't miss out on any data.